Hey everybody, it's Ryan from the Seattle Public Library Studio Department, and today I'll be showing you how to do a fake star trail in Photoshop. So go ahead and open up your image, and next we're going to unlock the layer by double-clicking background and hitting OK. Next we're going to separate the bottom portion here from the night sky over here. So we're going to take the quick selection tool on the left column here, you hold down the cursor, you'll see quick selection tool, and you just drag the left mouse and cover the area. Next, you right click the selection and hit layer via cut. Next, we're going to go to layer 0 and we're going to duplicate it. So let's go ahead and actually before I do that, let's go to the menu over here and hit Lighten, and then we're going to duplicate it. So you just drag and drop into this little plus sign over here, and then next you can go to your move tool and make sure your show transform controls is checked off, and then go to a corner and move it like 0.3 degrees and hit enter. Now you're going to do this for at least 15-20 layers, so it's going to take some time. You can actually make an action command, but I'm not going to go into that now. I'm just going to show you a very basic way to do it. So you just keep duplicating the last layer you did. So I just did that one, drag and drop into the plus over here, and we just keep moving the corner. It doesn't really matter what degrees you use, as long as it's rotating, and use your eye to look at the image to see if it's, doing the effect that you want. So it doesn't matter what degrees you do, you just kind of want to get the effect from looking at the image. I'm going to do this for a total of 15 copies. Okay, next, when you're done with duplicating your layers, we're going to merge them. So we're going to keep layer 1 over there, but we're going to take everything else underneath. Shift click down and right click, and we're going to hit merge layers. Okay, now that I zoomed out, this is the image, and we're just going to go ahead, double check our work, and then we're going to merge this layer as well. And there you have it. That's how you do fake star trails in Photoshop.